might want to look at all of it.
Alright, this is how I do these edges. I'll just take a little mud. The bottom side. I do this all the time. Really easy, anybody can do it. Ain't that right, Jace?
That's right.
What's this called again? You know the correct terminology. What is it?
Me.
Yeah, I'm testing you.
It's a rubber corner.
It is. It's a rubber corner tool. Looks really good. But I'll just come back with my knife. I have to hit it one more time. There you go. Rubber corner tool. Available at Harbor Freight, Franklin, Walmart, Target,
Amazon.
Amazon, eBay,